So at Dordulian Law Group, what we've done is I have a certified victim advocate that is in-house and part of our team. What we've also done is we brought in a 30-year former LAPD detective who's done sex crimes for, I think, majority of his years with LAPD. In fact, I worked with him when I was in the sex crimes unit. And we have him on board to investigate these type of cases. So we take care not only of the courtroom procedures and the requirements that we have to do, but we take care of the person that's coming forward. We lend the emotional support that they need to get through the entire very difficult process. So we understand how difficult it is for them to come forward, and when they do, we're there to support them. It's a very difficult thing for children of sexual abuse to come forward. If you look at the studies, you will see that it takes, on average, there was a recent study in Germany that they did that said that it takes someone up until around the average age of 52 before they come forward with their childhood sexual assault. And if you think about that, just imagine how difficult it is for a child, how many years it takes for them to finally feel like I can now come forward. And you got to imagine that is a very, very difficult thing. It takes a lot of courage and a lot of bravery for a child to come forward. At the time, obviously, they're adults when they do come forward. But I'm aware of that. Again, having done this for many, many years and prosecuting these type of cases, I decided to prepare for that, to be able to lend this type of support for the victims, not just in court, but the emotional support that they're going to need to get through the entire process.